Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get plotting scroll up, down, right, left button in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Scroll Tab, and firstly you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now just click on next, click on next, click on next, click on get started. Now it will ask you some permission, just allow all the permission. Just click on the screen, click on agree and continue. Now just turn on the scroll tab option and move back. Once again click on the screen, click on agree and continue. Now click on this install apps. Now just click on the scroll tab. Now just enable the scroll tab shortcut, click on allow. So now you can see the one plotting icon is appearing. Just move back. Now click on continue. Now the first option is to start the application, and below you will see the modes, whether you want to make it a single scroll while you click once, or you can select the auto scroll. So right now I will select the auto scroll, and below you can see your multi-function button. So you can enable it if you want to enable it, and you can hold to reverse the direction also. So if you want, you can enable it, and below you can see here the direction which you want, up and down direction or right and left direction. So right now I want the up and one direction, so you can select it depending upon your needs, or you can use custom scroll position also. And below you can see scroll speed can increase or decrease, and below some presets, and there are some notifications options. So these are the options under this first option. And next option is the appearance. You can change its style or shape, symbol, size, opacity, color. So you can enable the vibration on tab, pre-plotting button. So these are the options. And the last option is for the premium features. So in the premium features you can see which are enabled, and in the premium features all will be get enabled. So you can purchase it if you want the premium features, and if you're happy with the pre, then you can use the pre version also. So once you're done with your settings, you can just click on this button to start up this application. So finally you can see here one plotting up and down arrow icon. Let me minimize it and let us check if it really gonna work or not. Now let me click on this down arrow button once. Now you can see here it's auto scrolling continuously. Since I have select auto scrolling, it will continuously keep scrolling. So if I want to stop, I will just click on this button again once. So you can see it stopped. And if I want to scroll up, then I need to click on this up arrow icon. So you can see here it's scrolling to the upward direction. So if you want to pause, just click on this button again, then it will get paused. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get plotting scroll up, down, right and left button in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.